Buongiorno da Locarno, buongiorno dal Locarno Film Festival. I'm really sorry I can't be with you, but I'm happy to send you this very short message just to tell you how important it is for us, the collaboration with NCCR and with our dear Professor Ralf Stutzki, who actually jumped on board on this project in 2019 when we started, and it was really a bet. Would young scientist, young researcher be interested to spend 10 days together with 200 creatives coming from all over the world, working in the field of cinema, but not only with digital art, with performances, with every form of creation that is taking shape right now? The idea was not only to compare or to making conversation between discipline, but also about the way you would look at the world, because that's what we do. When we make movies, we try to look at the world. And so in that sense, the young scientist really brought a specific point of view, a very original presence. It was a bet, but the bet turned out to be very fruitful. The collaboration between the young scientist and the creative people that were there at the BaseCamp really sparkled from the first edition. There were lots of exchanges, a lot of conversation, and just a few days ago, there was also a project taking shape. So I think it's really important because the concept of the BaseCamp, and I think it's a concept that is really relevant today, is to create conversation between realities that usually are just cut one from another. We always have to learn from one another, but I think specifically in this conversation between science and the creation, it's very urgent to have that conversation today. We need to know more about what's happening in the scientific research. And I think also scientific research needs to have a conversation with the rest of the world. They need to maybe also know more about the tools of storytelling, how you share your knowledge. In this collaboration with NCCR, we also had the opportunity to organize an open conversation in Locarno Film Festival, which was attended by a lot of people and sparkled a lot of ideas and thinking and conversation and confrontation even. I think this is a very fruitful collaboration, and I just hope it will develop in the coming years, because we have already, with Ralf, some ideas on how to broaden that conversation. But I leave that to Ralf. I just want to thank you once again for this collaboration and wish you all the best. Un arrivederci da Locarno.